another beautiful beach.
Because there's a bit of sun outside, we've decided to go explore and find a new beach. We're exploring the beautiful bays at the Tutukaka coast.
But first, let's go back to the start when we grabbed a coffee. First stop!
Coffee.
Craig has not even had one single cup of coffee today. At least I've had. And we had chai lattes at church. Now it's time for coffee.
I want coffee. Got some coffees from the Black Stand coffee shop. Here at Hanui Fresh. Pretty good. I've had coffee here before.
And the clouds are rolling in, so let's go. This is by far the biggest coffee I've had so far in New Zealand. I don't know about you. I don't know where you hang out at work hours. And this one was $5.80 for this large. We're exploring a whole new area on the Tutukaka coast that we didn't even know about. And thank you to Chris we bumped into at the coffee shop, and he told us all about this area. And it's a little turn off that we completely missed the past few times on our way to Whale Bay. And it's beautiful. There's all these little bays. We've seen the views from the top, but we didn't know how to get down here. And well,
we're here now.
We're here now. All we need are subs. Welcome to yet another beautiful beach. How is this possible? Unfortunately, it's overcast. The sun was out this morning, but it's actually still warm, a little bit humid, light breeze. But there's storms predicted for this afternoon, but it's fine. We're gonna explore while the weather is nice. Is it cold?
It's chilly.
It's warmer than I thought it would be, but it's still a little bit cold. And it's so calm and sheltered here.
This beach would even be nice on a windy day because it's very sheltered.
I think so. Yeah. It's a nice protected bay. We don't know if we should stay or go, but we're gonna go because we want to see what else we can see. This is called Wellington Bay.
Yeah.
And this beach, I don't know how to pronounce, but there's a sign somewhere. We just drove around and there's a few viewpoints. There's also one up there. In New Zealand they call their holiday houses batches, and it looks like there are a few batches around here. They look so nice. We decided to get our stuff and we're going to spend some time on the beach. We just came from more or less over there somewhere, and the sea is so calm. Time for a dip. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my word. Hopefully I'll get used to it. It's cold. But it's so nice and flat though. Oh. You can't not swim when you're here. sun is out! And we stayed in the water for about 15 minutes. It is cold, but you kind of get used to it. And now we're going to have lunch. We packed chips. Surprise, surprise!
And Bundabergs.
Rolls. And then to drink.
Bundabergs. We've got passion fruit and Chantal's got peach.
And then this afternoon we'll go back and have a fry. The meat's defrosting at home. What a day!
Perfect Sunday!
And it was supposed to be thunderstorms rolling in.
It's coming.
Oh. Well, at least we came out and we took a chance, and now the sun is out. Yay!
Good chips.
We have these chips, margarita pizza flavor. This is a first. Those chips are actually really nice. Delicio, delicious. And something else that we really like and we've picked up a few times in the shops are these sweets, or the New Zealanders call it lollies. Kiwi party mix. And the nice thing is it's like a mixed bag, and you always get a nice variety, and each pack is different. I see my favorite one in this pack is gone already. So it's like these gummy sweets, perfect to also bring to the beach. And it's so addictive. It's so addictive. That salty, beachy feeling is the best thing ever. We're gonna head home now and light the fire for the fry. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.